welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just watching my video for the first time, my name is Seddiesnowz, and I just want to say a huge thank you to all my new and returning subscribers. God bless you all, and thank you so much for believing in me. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys my hair relaxing routine. I just want to share with you guys how I relax my hair, or we also call it retouching. I relax like I think after 2 or 3 months, and the hair is really due now. So the truth is, for the longest I can remember, I've not taken my hair to a salon to relax, because over time I've not really been satisfied with how these salonists relax my hair, because most times you notice that they are very distracted, or they are rushing to do somebody else's hair and stuff like that. So they just roughly apply the relaxer. They don't even massage it the way I want, and I come back, I'll see that the hair was not really relaxed and stuff like that, and it will make me feel very pissed and uncomfortable. So I just figured that if I can see these guys do it on other people's hair, and I can see them do it on my hair, then why not try doing it by myself? That was how I now started relaxing my hair by myself. And the truth is, compared to how they do it, other people do it for me, I know there are just a few people that I trust with my hair. Like when they relax it, I feel that, oh, they can do a great job. But then I just feel like doing it by myself gives me the best results. So today I'm going to show you guys how I relax my hair myself, and it turns out beautiful. Trust me, when you watch this video, you would want to try relaxing your hair by yourself, and make sure you do it the right way. So if you want to see all of that, just carry on watching. So guys, I'm going to use my olive oil touch-up kit, and this is a pack that comes with the sachets, not the cup. This one comes with 12 sachets. It's a pack of 12 sachets, and I'm going to use just one of these for my hair. And I'm going to use this, my tiny container, and the spatula to mix it together. I just like to mix it before I start sectioning the hair, so it will sit and the activator will mix very well into the relaxer. And then I go on ahead with my Bergamot hair cream to rub around my edges and my ears, just to prevent the relaxer from burning my skin. Make sure you don't always miss this part, because if you don't apply your hair cream there around your edges, the relaxer might burn your skin. So now I'm just going to use my small comb to section my hair into 4 different parts. I know there's a lot of people who just start relaxing all the way from the front to the back, or from the back to the front, but I just prefer sectioning my hair into 4 different parts, because I feel that way the relaxer gets more even into the hair. So I'm just going to section them one by one before I start the relaxer application. And now it's time to start applying my relaxer. This is very self-explanatory, so just watch as I do so. And I usually apply it in 2 rounds. So for the first round, I'll just evenly apply it to all those 4 sections roughly, and massage it in so the relaxer will spread out very well. And guys, please pardon me, I'm using my bare hands because I don't like those leather gloves they put in that kit. I usually don't use them because, first of all, they don't have a good grip and they are too slippery. Trust me, if I use those gloves, I'm going to make a mess. So I prefer just using my hands, and trust me, it doesn't hurt me at all. I'll just finish and wash my hands thoroughly and I'm good to go. So just pardon my using just bare hands. So as you can see, I use my finger to section it into very tiny bits and apply the relaxer within so that it will spread evenly into the hair. So I'm done with this bunch, so I tie it into a small knot and move on to the next section. And I'm just going to basically repeat the same process with the first one. First of all, apply around the edges of that bunch and then use my finger to pat it into tiny bits to apply the relaxer again. And then for the ones in front, you're going to see that after applying it around the edges of this particular bunch, I'm going to deliberately avoid my edges. I avoid applying it on my edges because it is too early to do that. If you apply it on your edges at an early stage, trust me, you're going to have serious burns because that part of the head is very delicate. So you apply every other place and leave that for the second round of application. Just take note of that, because since that place is very delicate, it can take just even 5 minutes for the hair there to relax. So don't be too in a haste to apply relaxer there. You can always apply it once you're done, but the hair will still relax very well. So that's why you can see me leaving my edges. I'm going to repeat the same process with this one and still leave out my edges for the second round of application. Guys, one other thing I wanted to point out is most times when you go to the salon, those salonists try to cajole you into using more than one sachet of that relaxer I'm using. You know, you can tell by just watching that I have thick hair. I know I have very thick hair, but still you can see that I use just one of those sachets, and no matter how small in quantity the relaxer looks, it still goes around my hair. That's to tell you that it is very, very enough. So most times you go there and you ask them whether just one sachet will be enough, and I remember on several occasions that both of them will say, no, it will not be enough. Oh, it will not be enough. You need to use like 2 or 1.5. But trust me, I use just one of those sachets and it goes around my full head. So don't be deceived, guys. So now this is the second round of application. At this point we notice that the hair has already started relaxing. so I don't really need to apply that much again, but just to be sure that the relaxer is very well applied and it reaches all the corners of the hair. It reaches every strand of the hair. So I still go on ahead to apply the relaxer the same way I did the first time, but this time around the hair is almost relaxed, so I'll just quickly do that. And I first of all comb it to detangle it, and then it also helps the relaxer to spread evenly in the hair. I still detangle the hair with my big comb and apply it again the same way I did the first time, but this time around I now apply it on my edges. Since the hair has already started relaxing, I can now apply it on my edges so it catches up with the rest of the hair. So now I have basically applied relaxer almost in all the corners of the hair. So I'll just use a relaxer to apply it randomly everywhere, and once I'm done I'm going to use my big comb. As you can see, I'm just combing the hair together because I want to put it all together in a bun so the whole relaxer will sit well and reach all the corners. So I'll just comb it all together, tie it up into a very small bun and get ready for washing. So now you can see that I've almost used all of it, but I'll just apply the remaining one there around the ends of my hair, and just so nothing is lost. Container is empty, so you can see that as little as that sachet looked, it still went around the hair. So I'm tying this in a bun now, and I'm going to let it sit for about an hour and get ready for washing. And after about an hour later, it's time to wash the hair with my Dove shampoo and conditioner. Boom, our hair is all washed, time to dry. Voila, hair is all dried, and as you can see, it's very well relaxed, very neat, fluffy, and amazing. So guys, you can see how very well relaxed the hair is. So I'm just going to comb it all up and tie it in a bun with my ribbon. And I really had fun filming this video. So guys, basically we've come to the end of today's video, and I hope you really enjoyed the video. And if you did, please give me a huge thumbs up and drop a comment in the comment section. Just tell me what you think about the video, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.